Okay, so this is going to be day one, dragon fruit. And I'm going to install it in a plastic egg carton. Get all my dirt chopped up. Just scoop a little bit out at a time. I don't want it full, I only want it like half full. What I did was, the dragon fruit that I bought to try, I cut it in chunks. Let me see, has plenty of seeds. So these chunks, I'm gonna put inside the dirt. Already has its own seeds, so why buy seeds when I have the actual fruit with the seeds? This is plastic, so I'm going to put it inside of a Ziploc bag, greenhouse effect, and go from there. Let it create its own sweat. Pieces in there. This one is a little bit too much. I just don't have enough. You hot shade? Get you some ice. So I'm gonna cut it in a smaller piece because that's lots of seeds. Yeah, Bubba? Each piece has tons of seeds. And it's free. The watermelon that I'm growing, took all the seeds from the watermelon from last year. So I didn't use store-bought seeds for my watermelon. I used seeds from the actual watermelon last year. Because I have extra pieces, I'll just double up on some of them. And all the seeds. paper breaks down, so it doesn't hurt that. Put some paper down in here with the seeds in it. Because paper is compostable, if that's even a word. Seeds stuck to my fingers. When you do the greenhouse effect, you don't have to wet it. The dirt, you don't have to water it because the sweat will create its own water. You don't want to use city water anyway. That'll kill your plants. Even filtered water. I learned the hard way. I thought, oh, well, my water's filtered. I'm good. Still stunted my plant's growth until I started doing just straight rainwater. Yeah. They started marking. They were doing well because I was doing bottled water when they were tiny. So I was trying to build up my rainwater. But things happen. Okay, so now I'm gonna level these off. Let's put dirt on top. Close it up. Put it in the Ziploc bag. Watch them grow. When they get large enough, then I'll put them in a 16-ounce cup. You don't need a whole lot of dirt, just enough to cover. I take sticks out, unless it's a big bowl. Try some, I use gloves, but because air can get in here, put it inside here. This is a 2-gallon freezer bag. Now it'll sweat. In the window. It'll sweat on its own. Come back in a few days and let's see how it grows.